Hey everyone, it's Mary Can here. Think of me as your cool aunt who just happens to have a YouTube channel and also may or may not have hacked into the mainframe to figure out exactly what's going to be hot in 2025. Today, we're diving into the future with 20 killer content ideas for your YouTube channel in 2025. We're talking next-level stuff that'll not only keep your viewers hooked, but also have them hitting that subscribe button faster than you can say algorithm. Let's get started. Alright peeps, first up we're talking virtual reality. Remember when VR was just for gamers with way too much time on their hands? Yeah, those days are over. In 2025, VR is going to be as common as your phone. Think about it. You could take your viewers on a tour of ancient Egypt, give them front row seats to a fashion show in Paris, or even have them swimming with sharks in the Bahamas, all from the comfort of their own homes. With more affordable VR gear hitting the market, creating immersive experiences is about to be within everyone's reach. So start brainstorming those crazy VR ideas now, because trust me, this is one trend you don't want to miss out on. Now let's talk about AI. The robots are coming. Might as well make them work for us, right? But chill. AI is here to make life easier. Imagine AI tools helping you edit faster, write scripts, create graphics, and even generate music. AI frees you to focus on creating awesome content, but remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement. Your unique voice makes your channel special. Okay, let's get real for a second. The Earth is really important. And guess what? Your viewers know it too. Sustainable living is more than just a trend. It's a way of life. Share your journey towards a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Make videos about reducing waste, conserving energy, or trying out plant-based recipes. Remember, every little bit counts. Inspire your viewers to make positive changes. Alright, let's talk about live streams. But not just any live streams, we're talking next-level interactive experiences. Think live Quanda sessions, watch-along parties, or live gaming streams. The possibilities are endless. Interactive live streams are crazy engaging, keeping people watching longer and coming back. So get ready to go live. Now this one's super important. In a world of endless content, find your tribe, your people, your squad. Build a strong, engaged community around your niche. Whether it's gaming, beauty, or travel, find your people. Host challenges, create groups, and respond to comments. Building a community takes time, but it's worth it. A loyal following makes the magic happen. Okay, let's be real for a hot second. People love to snoop. They're dying to know what goes on behind the scenes of your perfectly curated life. Or at least what you present as your perfectly curated life. So give the people what they want. Take them behind the curtain and show them the real you. Vlog about your creative process, your struggles, your triumphs, and everything in between. The more authentic and relatable you are, the more your audience will connect with you. People crave authenticity. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this one's gonna blow your mind. Virtual influencers are taking over the internet. They're your new collaborators, not just a pretty virtual face. Massive followings, on-point aesthetics, no scandals. Collaborate to reach new audiences. Think joint videos or a virtual alter ego. The possibilities are limitless. Remember when we talked about VR? Well, get ready for its cooler, more accessible cousin augmented reality. AR is all about overlaying digital elements onto the real world, and it's about to revolutionize the way you create tutorials. Imagine this. You're doing a makeup tutorial and your viewers can use AR to try on the same makeup look in real time. Or you're teaching someone how to fix a leaky faucet, and they can use AR to see virtual instructions overlaid onto their actual sink. AR tutorials are engaging, interactive, and super helpful. Listen, nobody wants to feel like just another face in the crowd. We all want to feel special, seen, heard. And that's where personalized content comes in. In 2025, it's not just about creating great content, it's about creating the right content for the right people. Use data and analytics to understand your audience's interests, then tailor your videos to their preferences. Think targeted recommendations, customized playlists, and even interactive videos that adapt based on viewer choices. By giving your viewers exactly what they want, you'll keep them glued to their screens. Okay, time for a serious talk. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and it's time to break the stigma. Your platform has the power to make a difference, so use it. Share your own mental health journey, talk about coping mechanisms, or interview therapists and experts. Create content that normalizes conversations about mental health and provides resources for those who need it. Remember, you don't have to be a therapist to offer support. Just being open and honest about your own experiences can make a world of difference. Who doesn't love shiny new gadgets? In the ever-evolving world of technology, there's always something new and exciting to geek out over. So become the go-to source for all things futuristic tech. Review the latest smartphones, drones, smart home devices, wearables, and anything else that gets your inner techie pumped. Be honest, be thorough, and don't be afraid to get a little silly. Everyone wants to be in the know about the next big thing. Who says animation is just for kids? Animation is a powerful storytelling medium that can transport viewers to different worlds, evoke emotions, and convey complex ideas in a visually engaging way. Create animated shorts, music videos, explainers, or even adapt your favorite stories into animated masterpieces. Experiment with different animation styles, from hand-drawn to 3D, and let your creativity run wild. Animation is a universal language that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Listen, we all know that exercise is good for us, but sometimes we need a little extra push to get off the couch. That's where fitness challenges come in. Create fun and engaging fitness challenges that your viewers can participate in. Think 30-day workout plans, healthy recipe swaps, or even just a daily step goal. Fitness should be fun and accessible to everyone, regardless of their fitness level. There's something so satisfying about creating with your own hands. And guess what? Your viewers feel the same way. DIY projects are a hit on YouTube. They're fun, creative, and budget-friendly. Share your favorite DIY home decor ideas, teach viewers to make their own clothes, or create step-by-step guides. Make it easy to follow, even for beginners. And don't be afraid to get messy. Travel vlogs are nothing new, but in 2025, it's all about ditching the tourist traps and offering a fresh perspective. Instead of showing the same old landmarks and attractions, focus on unique experiences, local hidden gems, and off-the-beaten-path adventures. Think exploring street food markets, trying out traditional crafts, or even just getting lost in a new city and documenting your discoveries. The best travel vlogs are the ones that make viewers feel like they're right there with you, experiencing the destination through your eyes. Parents, rejoice! Educational content for kids is about to get a whole lot more entertaining. In 2025, it's all about edutainment videos that educate and entertain in equal measure. Think animated science lessons, catchy songs about history, or even interactive stories that teach kids valuable life skills. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the key is to make learning fun and engaging. Bonus points if you can sneak in some educational value without them even realizing it. Say goodbye to burnt dinners and hello to your new AI sous chef. AI is revolutionizing the way we cook. Imagine smart ovens that adjust cooking times, AI apps suggesting recipes based on dietary needs, or robotic chefs making gourmet meals. Showcase AI's amazing kitchen capabilities. Share AI recipes, review smart appliances, or host a cooking competition with a robot chef. Remember when we thought virtual concerts were just a temporary fix during a global pandemic? Think again. Virtual concerts are here to stay, and they're only getting bigger and better. In 2025, expect immersive virtual venues, interactive elements that allow viewers to control the show, and mind-blowing special effects that blur the lines between reality and the digital world. Host your own virtual concerts, collaborate with other artists, or even create behind-the-scenes content that gives viewers a glimpse into the making of a virtual spectacle. In a world often filled with negativity, it's more important than ever to shine a light on the good. Share stories that inspire, uplift, and make a positive impact on the world. Interview changemakers, highlight local heroes, or document your own journey of giving back to the community. Remember, your platform has the power to reach millions of people. Use it to amplify voices that need to be heard, raise awareness about important issues, and inspire your viewers to make a difference. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, staying ahead of the curve is key. Become a trend spotter. Pay attention to what's gaining traction, analyze data, and make predictions about the future of content creation. Share your insights with your audience, offer tips on how to capitalize on emerging trends, and position yourself as a thought leader in your niche. Remember, the only constant on YouTube is change. By embracing it and adapting to the ever-evolving landscape, you'll ensure your channel remains relevant and engaging for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Seriously though, hit that subscribe button. It helps my channel grow and lets me know you want to see more content like this. Now go out there and create some mind-blowing YouTube magic. See you in the next video.